guys, so we are already here at NAIA Terminal 2 and nakapasok na kami sa boarding gate and we're just waiting for our flight. Our flight is in 2 hours? Yeah, in 2 hours. So, we have a lot of time to wait. Naghintay na kami dito. Sobrang busy ng airport. Ang daming tao. I think ang daming travel talaga. Especially summer kasi ngayon. And wala namang mga hassle since a local flight lang naman kami. And we are off to Boracay. So, ang isa lang pala na request ng isa dun sa security is like a random checking. So, chinek niya ako and then chinek niya rin yung hand carry namin. Kasi hindi naman na kami nag-add ng check-in baggage kasi ilang days lang naman din kami. So, meron siyang parang pinahid na something. I don't know what's that for. Sabi niya random check. So I was like, yeah, okay, go. Okay lang. And then, ayun, wala naman daw alarm. And then, yun, okay na. Pinapasok niya kami. Yeah, so we're just waiting for our flight and see you guys in a bit. So we are finally boarded. 1.5 hours of waiting. So supposedly, ang fly is 4:50 and it's already 4:46. So I don't think on time etong Cebu Pacific. But the flight is just 1.5 hours. So mabilis lang siya. Sakto pagdating namin doon is dinner. Maliit lang yung plane. Like parang dalawahan lang siya. Parang bus lang siya. And look, window seat, pero malabo. Wala ka nang makikita, diba? And this is my shirt. This is for my bestie, Joanna. Thank you for giving me this shirt. So yeah, see you in a bit, Boracay. So we are now here sa Boracay Airport. So yung sinakyan namin is going to Katiklan and I think kailangan namin mag-ride ng tricycle going to the port and then transfer pa kami I think and then I think magbabayad pa kami ng environmental fee. Actually hindi namin alam. Kasi yung last na punta namin ng Boracay is hindi Katiklan, yung isa, Aklan. So I think yun yung kailangan namin hanapin. So, hindi kami nag-book ng transfer kasi we wanted to experience the tricycle. So, let's go. So, I don't know how much, but may pila pala, sorry. Magkano? 150 for 2? Ah, okay. So, 150 pesos na siya for 2. Going to the port. Sobrang hangin. Tapos makulimlim. Parang uulan. Sana maganda naman yung panahon ng entire stay namin. Pero, yan, nararamdaman mo na yung nung dagat. Meron ka bang 150 dyan? Ayan. So, dito, ayan, magbabayad muna kami ng tricycle. Konting lakad lang naman. And I think meron ding mga shuttle, di ba, Dad? Yeah, may shuttle. Kaya, so dito na kami sa susunod. Oh, wow! Dito tayo sa likod, Daddy. Let's go.
Sa harap pa kayo, ma'am?
Ay, sa harap pala. Aray ko. Ang hangin. Wait nga lang.
Dagat.
Finally, nakakita kami ng dagat. So, hindi namin alam kung gaano kalayo. Tanungin kaya natin si Kuya. Kuya, gaano po yung kalayo?
Tawid ng Boracay ba?
Oo.
Dito malapit lang po, mga 7 minutes po.
7 minutes.
Opo. Pero kung patawid kayo ng Boracay, mga 15 to 20 minutes po.
Okay.
So, may babayaran pa kami doon?
Babayad pa kami doon?
Mababayad kayo ng terminal fee at environmental fee. Tapos yung sa bangka na 50.
50 per head.
Opo. Bali 350 yung babayaran nyo bawat isang tao.
Alan, okay.
Sa tao?
Magbabayad pa kami ng 350 daw per head. Environmental fee, choo-choo fee. Bibigyan kami ng tip ni Kuya para hindi kami mahalan. So we are now transferring on the small boat. Kailangan nating mag-ingat. Otherwise, mahulog tayo sa tubig. And this is our path. You have to tap it. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my gosh! Thank you. Nakakahilo. Tayo, Daddy, dalawahan. Dalawahan lang, lalakad na. Yay! So yeah, after the boat transfer, it was a quick ride. Like 15 minutes maybe? Less than 15 minutes. Malapit lang yung transfer niya. And I think mag-8 right na lang kami going to the hotel. But the experience was so, yung nakakahilo. Sobra. Sobrang alon. And then ganun yung like small boat. So sobrang nahilo ko. And siguro factor na rin na nagugutom na ako kasi almost dinner time. Ngayon, maghihintay kami ng tricycle namin or ng transfer going to the hotel. Guys, update. Init. Nagugutom na ako. So ngayon ay kami lilipat sa mga e-trike and we are looking for an e-trike. So I think it depends kung gaano kalaki yung group. Tayo muna? Oh, here? Okay. So it's like an L3 and service and then we're gonna be sharing. So for sure, parang magiging last drop tayo, ganun. Almost there and makakain na rin tayo ng dinner. I'm so excited. So excited to see the hotel. We are now checking in at the hotel. They need my ID, booking confirmation. I have my ID here. And then you need a credit card. Oh, okay. But it comes with complimentary breakfast.
Yes. Okay. It starts from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m.
To 10. Look at the vibes. It's giving. Finally, we are heading to the room. So we are going to our room and Kuya is helping us. He's so nice with assistance. So i-drop off lang natin yung gamit and then we'll find the place to have our dinner. Thank you! Oh wow! Oh my god. Finally, we are now inside our hotel. So we are staying here at Henan Park. Ano nga to? Ano nga to, Daddy? Kasi sobrang daming Henan. Hindi ko na matandaan kung saan tong binook namin. Henan Park Resort. I think this is Henan Park Resort. So we're gonna be staying here for 3 nights. I'm gonna do a quick room tour later. Kasi gutom na ako and we'll go for a dinner first. Kasi baka mamaya medyo grumpy na ako. Kaya kailangan ko munang kumain. So yeah. See you guys later, alligator. Okay, so we're gonna head out now. Okay, outfit number 1. So I just changed my outfit to this one. So this is cutesy. So as you guys know, so we are now here in Boracay. Kami lang dalawa ng asawa ko. We are spending time together and yeah, magre-relax lang. Actually, wala kaming itinerary and I'm planning to do a separate vlog for all the foods that we're gonna be trying here in Boracay. The last time that we were here was, I think, 2017. So it's been a while. And I think marami ng mga bagong kainan ngayon. And marami ng mga masarap na kainan dito. So, samahan nyo lang kaming mag-food trip, mag-relax. And in this vlog, I'm gonna show to you guys kung ano yung mga food na itatry namin dito. Some of these are inspired and nakita ko lang sa TikTok University, you know. So, yeah. So, we are off to our first dinner here in Boracay and samahan nyo kami. Let's go! So, we are now outside. We are looking for the Island Chicken Inasal. So, that's gonna be our first stop. To look for a dinner. Jasper's Top Silog. Nakita ko rin yan sa TikTok. Na-recommend nila. D-Mall. Seafood Restaurant. Ooh! Daming kainan! Diretso pa? Okay. Thank you. Kapag medyo naliligaw ka na, kailangan mo nang magtanong. Ganun lang ang kalakaran dito. Huwag kang mahiya. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa loob ng compound ng D-Mall. And we are looking for a specific kainan. Island Chicken Inasal. I hope it's worth it. Kailangan nating magtanong-tanong. Oh my God, sobrang ganda ng vibes dito. Nakakaano. I wish our friends are with us. Aww. Shout out. 3 namin friends. Nakita mo na? Ito. So, we are now here in Island Chicken Inasal. Let's go in and we'll see kung makakaupo kami agad. Haha. Busy sila. Ito yung magpapasarap dito talaga. This is the place. Ayan, maraming kumakain. Buti na lang may bakanting upuan. And this is their menu. Chicken inasal leg and thigh is 270 pesos. So, order muna kami. Let's go order. So, we ordered 1 paa. Paa is leg and thigh. And then it's served with rice and achara. That one is 270 pesos. And then we ordered spicy pecho for 300 pesos. And that comes with rice already. And then nag-order kami ng atay. I think inihaw na atay yun for 105. I think it's a good one. And then nag-order na kami ng isang drinks, which is frozen calamansi. Yun yung in-order namin. So this is our first dinner here. And hopefully, masarap siya. And then let's go. Kaunta! this is the frozen calamansi. So this one is magkano? 190 pesos. Let's see if it's worth it. Taste test. Legit, lasang calamansi. Refreshing siya. Pero may nalalasahan akong kating tamis. Pero may lasa siyang calamansi. Pero hindi siya sobrang tamis, so which is okay. And ano siya, refreshing siya. So kung katanghali ang tapat, kung just for a change yung mga normal na fruit shake, is a good option. I like it, and I can't wait for my chicken to arrive. So the food finally arrived, and I am having a spicy pecho, and this is the atay. So let's try the atay first. Ang lambot. Ang lambot, masarap siya. So good. Sarap na. Tapos lalagyan mo siya ng ganito, oh. Chicken oil, oh. Lalagyan mo ganyan, oh. So this is the spicy pecho. Tapos isasawsaw mo sa sili na may toyo na may kalamansi. Sarap. Panalo. Sarap. No? Masarap siya. So in order namin isang spicy, isa hindi. Para look at that. Then ito naman yung atay. Sausaw natin. Sarap. Hindi ko na kasi alam kung mahal ba siya sa price na gano'n or kasi parang 300 pesos to, like 299 isang meal, diba? Pero for the taste, masarap siya, diba? Iba yung lasa niya sa Mang Inasal, diba? Mas masarap to sa Mang Inasal. Hindi siya under rice. If under rice sila, for sure malulugi sila. Oh my God. Perfect combination. Try natin yung atsara nila. Mas na atsara. Masarap. Ang lambot ng ano nila, chicken nila. Yung feeling na sumaksan ka kapag trade ng chicken inasal. Sobrang lami. Sarap niya, Bi. Pasay rin natin to kasi sayang. Parang minasa ka rin yung mga chicken namin. Guys, ito ang magpapatunay na masarap. Tingnan niyo yung plato namin. Like simot. Simot talaga siya. Walang tira. Sulit na sulit. For me, it's recommended. Last one. Last one. So, just had our dinner and maglalakad-lakad lang kami para mababaan kami ng kinainan. And tingnan nyo, parang hindi ko sure kung meron ng ganito dati. Like, hindi ko alam kung kailan merong ganito. So, may mga rides dyan for kids and then dito, maglalakad-lakad kami. So, let's go. Lemon Cafe and Restaurant. Surprisingly, sobrang dami na talagang kainan dito. Oh, may Mang Inasal! Only rice. O see, may Mang Inasal. Meron ding Andox. O, wagka. Tres Amigos. So, mostly mga kainan. Ayan. So, today is Tuesday, 8:36 p.m. Surprisingly, ang daming tao pa din. Kahit hindi pa naman ganun kaputok na putok yung summer, pero daming tao kahit hindi siya weekend. So this is like an Italian restaurant. There are so many food options. Nandito pa lang kami sa Station 2. Then ito na, beachfront na to. Konting lakad lang. Pwede tayong pumunta ng Epic. Mag-shot puno. O, diba? And then dito, mayroong picture spot. So, ayan, meron din ganito, like Boracay, and then may ganon, like a castle. Boracay Castle, and they will take picture of you. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkano na yung bayad dyan. What we love about Boracay is, hindi kasi siya layo-layo. Like, mag-stay ka lang dito, and then sobrang chill niya. Pwede ka pang mag-nightlife, may beach and everything. Hindi ka mapapagod. Kaya ito yung pinili namin na vacation place. Sobrang chill. Nandito lang talaga kami para mag-chill. And yeah, maglalakad-lakad lang kami. Ay, meron ditong live band. Mandarin Nest. Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Ako na matatayan. Maganda rin yung kainan na yan. Nakita ko yun sa TikTok. Hey, that you love me. For me. Know how you doing. Love me. So this is Boracay at night. Nakakabising ko rin to kasi sa Canada walang ganito. I mean, meron sa downtown, pero yung ganito, sobrang na-miss namin. Ay, ang ganda ng vibes dito, oh. Beach resort. I think this is going to Station 3. So, sa Station 3, medyo tahimik siya. And sobrang low tide. So, hopefully, makakita kami ng magandang beach tomorrow. Look at this. Look at the vibe.